fans turned on. The other shop couldn't get this thing to start. We're gonna see if this engine is any good. Go for it. Hey guys, so for today's episode, we have a RevUp engine and a G35, because we can do engine swaps here. Lots coming up, stay tuned. Yep, so we got a Nick over here, sitting on his new transmission. That might be a 6-speed manual. We've got lots coming up, clearly, and a RevUp engine. Look at that. We know it's a RevUp. It's got 2 of them up top with the cams. So, with the engine out of the car and everything, I've got some things I want to put on it real quick. We have a new silicone hose kit from Z1. We've got belts. We have a tutorial on this too if you want to check that video out. And we've got a new clutch. And so we do all this too. So real quick, we're just gonna, and like that, we've got brand new silicone hoses looking sweet. And we've got a Nick here, we've got an Alex, and look at this. We've got an engine. This thing is trash, all disassembled and out of there. So right now we are swapping all the good parts, making sure that we have the best of everything, and then next that is coming over here, going back up there. How you doing, boss? Look at this.
It's peachy.
Yeah, don't mess with Malcolm. He's awesome. We also have Jace here. And look at this. We have the leftover remnants of a RevUp engine. Clearly has been, yeah, everything's been taken off of it. So we've got the engine in here. Looking sweet. And at this point, you know, it's all connected in there. We got the wheels connected, we got the brakes, we got everything, and the wiring harness needs to go in, and then it's gonna be done. And 5, 4, 3, 2, bam! We have swapped to a new RevUp engine. So we put new hoses on there, we got coolant, we got power steering fluid, we got everything. We knocked all that out. Clutches bled. So, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we get any Christmas trees, check engine lights. Let's go. All right, clutch and woo! Woo! Yeah! All right. Awesome! Yep, we even hooked it up with a new exhaust, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below, make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends, we have so much more coming up. So that is installing an engine at Mills Garage Customs, and if you need it done, hit us up down below in the comments. Stay awesome, guys. Yeah. Woo! Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
What?
Got listies on.
What? Spider frog does whatever a spider frog does. Can he swing from a web? No, he can't. He's a frog. Look out, spider frog.
Like and subscribe, Mel's Garage. What's up?
Woo!